Welcome back to a new video. Today I'll show you how to create cool autumn illustrations using Illustrate AI from DesignBundles. Here's a list showcasing various landscapes, from forests to canyons, and atmospheric elements, including falling leaves to shadowed woods. Here's another list highlighting various flora, from maple leaves to hawthorns, and fauna, such as squirrels, deer, to pheasants. Another list featuring various activities and events, from apple picking to mushroom foraging, and buildings and structures, including barns, farmhouses, to autumn festival tents. Next, we've got a selection of clothing and accessories, ranging from scarves to capes, as well as foods and beverages, featuring items like hot cocoa and gravy. Delving into colors, we have hues ranging from burnt orange to fern green. As for textures and patterns, you'll find everything from knit and wool to denim. On the left side of the screen, you can see the art style I've utilized as well as the prompt I used. Meanwhile, on the right side, you'll find the image that was generated using Illustrate AI from DesignBundles.
We set sail into the moon. Tilt our tails to the morning dew. Our plans and schemes seem so serene. Amongst the stars, red, gold, and green. Oh, we gave it all in the autumn fall. We danced like flames around the sun. Angels flew where our hope had come. And fireflies went to and fro. As we sat back in the afterglow. Oh, we gave it all in the autumn fall. Oh, we gave it all in the autumn fall.